Men's exercise routes, a final guide. Home exercise for men. Whether you are an experienced professional or a newly trained athlete, exercising at home is a good option if you are unable to go to the gym or need to change your pace. The home exercise below requires a limited amount of equipment. In addition, some movements can be altered by exercising while using your body weight as resistance. These exercises can serve as a week-long routine for beginners or cycling to provide a few sessions per week for advanced trainees. If your goal is to lose weight, you may want to add some form of cardio, such as running or cycling, between sessions. Required equipment: flat weight bench, durable adjustable dumbbells based on your level of experience. When you are just starting out, you may want to visit a specialty store for expert advice on choosing the right equipment. But if you know what you want, you can buy adjustable dumbbells online. Intervals: 60 to 90 seconds. Day 1 exercise for legs, shoulders, and abs. Legs: dumbbell squats 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Shoulders: press the dry shoulder 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Legs: dumbbell lunge 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Shoulders: dumbbell straight lines 2 sets 8 to 10 reps. Hamstrings: Romanian dumbbell deadlift 2 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Shoulders: lateral height 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Calves: sitting calf lift 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Abs: crunches with high legs 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps.